Greetings. In this last video, we're going to just explore a Reuters article that was misclassified as fake news. And so here we see row 743 was a Reuters article that even before cross-validation was seen as fake news, and after it was seen as fake news with cross-validation. So we're going to find 743 in the SCV file, and we see that that happens to be Reuters text number 293. So we're going to open that up in STV 293, and it's there. And if we look, we can see that there are just a couple of first person, which is not consequential, but 73 characters. And on the real news side, the academic is just 19. The information is 54, which is considerable, but it's still less proportion. I mean, the ratio of character, particularly because it's 12% of the text, academic is just 3% of the text, information is just 8% of the text. So that's a fairly dominant category. Syntactic complexity is always fairly high, but the ratio is not high enough to change the fact. So when you actually turn these things on, you'll see that this Reuters article is just full of candidates, Heralds, Simmons, Hughes, Simmons, he intends, which are, intends is a characterological word, assuming intentionality of a character, an analyst, Hughes. So the point is that in the Reuters articles, characters are just seldom this high a percentage of text, and that's why it assumes it's fake. And so in your report, you would look at something, a text like this, turn on in STV the signatures of fakeness, in this case, character in first person, and say, even though this is real news from Reuters, the proportion of signals for fake news is so high that the computer was led to classify it as fake. That's it. Thank you.